My name's Daniel. I like spending a lot of time in my garage. I've got lots of projects and I love spending time working on them. In a space this important to me, I don't want it to look disorganized. I need lots of storage and I need to stay organized, and this combo lets me do that. This one's bigger, a whole 24 inches deep, so I can hold even more tools than I ever could before. I have a lot of tools, and it helps to have all these different drawers so I can organize things just the way I want it. Let me show you my tools. Don't they look great? And so do these drawers, because my Deluxe drawer liners keep them protected. Here I have some more. I know it doesn't look like it, but these drawers can carry a lot of weight. Each one of these drawer slides can handle up to 150 pounds. I like that the drawers stay closed when I move and turn the combo. With the raise and release pulls, I can trust that my tools are always safe in there. This is one of the bigger drawers. It's where I keep my heavier tools. There's lots of room for lots of stuff. And these double slides, they handle twice the weight. Let me lift this up so I can show you what's inside. This is where I like to keep my most important things. And these gas struts are guaranteed to keep the lid up and out of my way, so it never bothers me while I'm working. And I use this power strip all the time. I use it to plug in my tools, and it also has USB for your iPad and your phone. I also have a power strip with USBs down here on the side of the cabinet. It doesn't have sharp corners like other toolboxes. It feels safe to handle and to move around. And with its side handle, I can move the whole combo closer to the projects I'm working on. And even with all this weight, the casters can take it. I like that I have my tools all in one place. I can lock them up and not have to worry about them. If you have teenagers at home, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes I get in a hurry, and sometimes I can lose my temper, especially when I've just scraped all the skin off my knuckles. The Montezuma is a tough toolbox, a lot tougher than the last one I had, and it can take all my punishment.
Whether you're at work, home, or on the farm, we are here to ensure that your life is organized.